I struggled with this for years. I didn't even realize I was the one quietly pushing money away. You don't have to make the same mistake I did. Stay with me because what I'm about to share is the exact shift that changed everything for me. You clicked this because money feels off. You're visualizing, you're scripting, you're doing all the right things. But the universe still isn't reflecting it back in your bank account. What almost nobody tells you is this. It's not that the universe isn't listening. It's that it's getting a completely different signal from you than the one you think you're sending. And that mixed signal, it quietly pushes money away. Once you see this in yourself, you won't be able to unsee it. And the best part is you can start flipping your signal from repel to receive in under 60 seconds. So before you decide manifestation doesn't work for you, stay with me. If your signal is wrong, this is where everything finally starts to click. So what exactly is this wrong signal? It's not some grand cosmic mistake. It's subtle, and it lives beneath conscious thought. Think of the universe like a massive radio receiver always tuned in. You're broadcasting a frequency through your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. When you consciously say, I want more money, that's one signal. But if underneath that, you believe things like, money is hard to get, I'm not good enough for wealth, rich people are greedy or corrupt, you're sending a second signal at the same time. It's like trying to tune into two radio stations on the same frequency. All you get is static, and the universe doesn't know which message to amplify. This isn't about being negative. It's about misalignment between what you want and what you've been conditioned to expect. And once you understand that, you'll start noticing these signals everywhere, especially in moments you used to ignore. Let me give you a few quick examples. See if any of these feel familiar. You write down, I am a millionaire. But immediately after, your mind says, yeah, right. Or you feel a flash of anxiety about losing what little you have. That's an I want money, but signal. Or maybe you try to act abundant. You tell yourself you're confident, but inside you're constantly stressed about bills. The universe doesn't respond to performance. It responds to feeling, and stress broadcasts scarcity no matter how positive the words sound. Or you see someone else succeed and think, good for them, but that could never be me. That tells the universe you believe abundance exists, just not for you. Even guilt can be a signal. You receive a small win, but immediately worry it won't last. Or you feel uneasy spending it. That push-pull creates a message that says, I'm not actually ready for this. Here's the most important thing to understand. This is not your fault. These signals aren't character flaws. They're learned patterns picked up from childhood, society struggle, and survival. We're taught to earn money through effort, to be careful with it, to expect it to be hard. Your subconscious isn't sabotaging you. It's protecting you by repeating what feels familiar and safe. And the moment you become aware of that, you gain the power to change it. So how do you flip the signal? This isn't a magic trick. It's a tuning process. And this 60-second practice is the exact one that stopped my money anxiety loop, because it speaks directly to the subconscious. Here's how it works. First, identify the conflict. When you think about money, notice the first uncomfortable thought or feeling that shows up. No judgment, just awareness.com. Maybe it's, I don't have enough, or this feels risky, or what if it all disappears? Second, acknowledge and reframe. Gently say to that thought, thank you for trying to protect me. I'm safe now, and I'm choosing a new belief. Then immediately replace it with the opposites, slowly, intentionally. If the thought was, I don't have enough, shift it to, I am always supported. Abundance flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. Third, immerse in the new signal. Close your eyes for 30 seconds. Feel what it would be like to truly believe that statement. Not forcing, not pretending, just feeling safety, ease, relief. Visualize money arriving naturally. Bills handled, opportunities showing up without strain. This is the frequency shift. Do this daily, especially when money thoughts appear. You're not forcing positivity. You're retraining familiarity. This is how you build a congruent relationship with money. Think of it like tuning a radio. You don't set it once and walk away. You fine-tune. Every 60-second adjustment brings the signal into clearer alignment. And over time, your subconscious stops sending mixed messages. You begin attracting ideas, opportunities, and resources naturally because the signal is finally clear. The universe has always been listening. Now it knows exactly what to deliver. If this made something click for you, subscribe. This channel is for people who are done fighting money and ready to work with it. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest conflicting signal you've noticed in yourself? Once you see it, you can change it. I'll see you in the next video.